How to delete profile in Netflix in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete profile in Netflix on 2024, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically delete the profiles on Netflix in 2024, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is simply open up the Netflix application. You know that Netflix is made up of profiles. You can add up to 5 different profiles. But let's say now that you decide that you would like to delete one of these profiles, you can just tap the edit icon from the top right hand side of the screen here, and you will see this interface where you can simply select a profile that you would like to delete. Look at the bottom, you'll find a button there known as delete profile. Tap on it and then just tap on the delete option, and then you'll be able to delete that profile. This way you can delete profile on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.